Welcome! This is a basic introduction to the layout and key features of the Weaver. Please watch the Shortcuts and Tips video and go through the Weaver 101 course for more advice on how to get the best results working with the Weaver. So let's get started. Whenever you log into the Weaver or reload the Weaver, you'll be brought to this welcome page. The link to get to the Weaver community and tutorial videos is right here. There are two views in the Weaver: text view, which is what this page is, and then graph view. They're both similar in that they have a major workspace on the right and then your preview area on the left where your search results will go. Up at the top are a few icons to be familiar with. TCM Weaver will refresh the page that you're on. It will clear out your search and the preview area. The left icon will allow you to toggle between light mode and dark mode. The middle icon toggles you between graph view and text view. The right icon is where your personal information is. And then this little icon to the right of the search bar is a copy icon. Let's say you're doing a search and then you want to go do a second search without opening up a new browser. You can clear your original search, do your second search, clear that, then come back and simply paste the results from your first search, and it will bring all of your results back up. I'm going to refresh to clear that, and I'm just going to put in a different search term right now so you can see how the filters work. In text view, filters are down on the bottom left. Click this to expand, and you will see there are a number of different categories or ways that you can filter your results in the Weaver. To start with, you'll probably spend most of your time in category, but make sure you check out the other options. In text view, the filters work by two different ways. One, you can click on an option to select it if you only want to see that. Clicking on it twice will remove it from your search results, and then the third time will clear it. Please note under the search bar that you will always see the number of results that are returned. And to bring anything, well, let's first collapse this, but to bring anything from your search results onto the work page, you simply click the little arrows down here on the right. If you want to remove something, you can click an X and that will completely remove it from the list. Or if it's already up on your workspace, and you decide you don't want it, clicking the X will have the same effect. So when you go into graph view, whatever is on your workspace will be what comes up in graph view. If there's nothing on your workspace, it will bring up the search results. Let's head over. We'll click the middle icon. As you can see, here are the two formulas that I had up. Now notice, we still have our search results, but on the left, instead of having our filters, we have little slide bars where you can change the things that you see in the layout. And I'm going to quickly go ahead and open these up so I can show you how the filters work. Again, you'll have three options. You can remove something completely from workspace and preview area, the search results. The middle icon will bring up information about that particular item, and that arrow just clears it. And then the arrows open things up into wander mode. To make things bigger or smaller, I just move the dial on my mouse. And I'm going to open up this other formula into wander mode. And now we're going to go to the filters. In graph mode, the filters are in the upper right. Some of these filters will only work on the text that's in your preview area, while others work on the graph. These are all the categories that you have in text mode as well. Now, to filter in the graph, you only deselect, remove things from graph view. So let's get rid of everything except for the herbs and the formulas. And now I'm going to close up my filters. To move things around, you can just put your mouse anywhere within, and that will get rid of that. Sometimes there'll be something strange that comes up. You can just clear that out. And then you can start moving things around. One thing I'd like to quickly point out, you'll see that a couple of these herbs are connected by a little line. That simply indicates that they're a doyao. When you're done working, you can simply hit reload, and it will bring you back to the welcome page and text view, and you can start a new search.